guys, we are going to Sangam today. It is November season, and in Sangam, Allahabad, which is in the Ganga River, sort of. So there, and we haven't left from home, but there in the from November to January comes a big surprise. The Siberian crane. That's what we are after. Now we have nearly reached Sangam. This is where Ganga and Yamuna River meet. And during this season, as I just told you, Siberian cranes come. And now here is the Ganga River. Now the hunt is only on for the Siberian crane. But first, we must get into our boat. This is the Allahabad fort. This fort is one very big one, and this is the main one of Allahabad. And here are the boats. We are going to choose one of them and go. Well, here we are sitting in our boat. So yes, we go to find crane. Okay, so now we are wearing our life jackets and we are about to go search for the Siberian crane. And this is the Yamuna River. Earlier, which I showed you, that was the Ganga. And they would merge in this place. And this is called Sangam. Okay. Over. And that is the boat. And this is our arm. Oh, they are duck-like birds, but they may be juvenile. Oh, and there are some other birds along as well. They are egrets. Wow. Here's our next glimpse of the birds. This is one, but it's just floating, and then alongside it another one. They are not interested in us, but they are just floating. Wow, such a cute bird. Where is that? The birds were very hungry. We got some food from the other boat over there, so it was obvious that we were going to feed them and they were going to get entertained a lot. So we just fed the birds and got them entertained as well as the people in the boat. The birds kept swooping in and out. They could go out to the group when it comes to eating bites. They would go out to the group to keep it away from their mates. If it's a big bite, it will take fight. See, imagine if you're a human. Imagine that you are eating something with your friends, and something that you and they like, and it's a big piece of it. Imagine if they start saying, "This is mine, this is mine, this is mine," and you would just try to pull it away and have a fight with them. Similarly, animals like alligators and birds, as you see, would also have a fight on the big bite. So eagles and cranes kept swooping in, and they were all fought for a big bite, like this is mine. So that's why this is how it got the people on the boat entertained. It entertained the birds, they got their party, and we got entertained.
Wow.
Say action.
Action.
Record them.
So they are flying all over the place because of the food. How?
Okay, now let them settle down again.
Wow, this is like a wow thing.
Okay, now
Actually,
say.
those are not cranes, but they are seagulls. Wow. They just keep
Okay, now this
flying
side.
all over the place. They are so disciplined. Action. Oh, they're just too noisy at the moment. They are seagulls, in fact. Action. Action. Lovely. they just cannot tear off the food. Oh, this is just so brilliant. Oh, wow, they are just too good at the moment. They are jumpers. Absolute
On
jumpers.
this side now.
Brilliant. Action. Oh, wow, they just keep asking and they just cannot stop this. This is mine. They just cannot stop it. This is the end of a noisy adventure. So, well, hope you enjoyed it. We played a little bit with birds. That is good. So, we'll see you on our next adventure.